Let's now look at the PESTLE analysis. I'm sure we are completely clear what is pest analysis and what is pestle analysis. So when we do the pest analysis, in addition to the political, economic, social and technological aspects, when we look at the legal and the environmental aspects also, it becomes pestle analysis. So what are the things that we would look at as part of the legal environment and as part of the environment per se. So in case of legal, we will have to see as to how are the approach and the attitude of the local government with regard to the control. Say for example, if you set up a business in China, the rules and the policies of the Chinese government, that they will not give you maximum freedom that you would like to have. So it is just not possible in China to do a business independently. So if you start a business in China, you will have to have necessarily a local partner for your business to happen. And plus the corporate democracy that we experience here in India will not be available if you start a business in China. So that is number one that we would need to look at as part of the legal environment. And then we will also have to see as to how are the other legal laws relating to the employees, laws relating to the security of the employees, laws relating to the freedom to give exit to your employees. So those are the things. And plus of course, how are the laws with regard to the administration of the company, how are the laws with regard to the taxation of the company. So everything legal which can influence our business, that is what we will need to look at and study. I'm sure you would have noticed in the recent past, a lot of companies, a lot of global companies are exiting from China. And one of the reasons as to why they are exiting from China, because progressively they have started realizing that the legal laws in China are not are not the investors friendly, or are not the friendly to the people who come from outside and set up their business. So that is your legal environment study as part of the pestle analysis. Now coming to the environment, please remember globally, right from the UN and also the local governments, today everybody is becoming conscious of the environment. People are now talking in terms of carbon footprint. People are talking in terms of minimizing the global warming. People are talking in terms of how to make the environment safe and secure for everyone. And that is why globally the different governments or different countries are bringing out legal laws relating to environment, which are quite tough. And therefore when you are setting up a business in any other geography other than yours, you will have to look at the environmental laws of that country with a magnifying glass, because there may be a lot of penalty provisions even in case if you make a violation unknowingly or inadvertently. So that becomes your pestle analysis: political, economic, social, technological, legal, and the environment. And that is your pestle analysis.